Hey y'all. Alright, so today I'm sitting out in front of Aldi. It's been a few weeks since I've been here. I think the past few weeks I've gone to Lidl and Wegmans, and Aldi is super close to my house. I could walk here if I needed to, but it is raining outside today, so I did drive. But it's super close, and I have a lot of things to do this weekend, so I just thought I'd go to Aldi. Plus, it's been a while since I've been here, so hopefully they have some new finds in there. So if I can, I'll take you guys in along with me. Otherwise, like always, I will share everything once I get back home. So let's head on in. Alright, you guys, so I am back from Aldi, so let me show you everything I picked up for the week. So I picked up a bottle of ranch dressing, and I also picked up 2 packs of the dry ranch dressing mix, and that's because my husband prefers it to be made with the mixes, and my girls like the bottle, so I picked both up. I also picked up 2 cans of diced tomatoes with green chilies just to have on hand. Just a few Roma tomatoes and 1 cucumber because I actually have some still left over from last week. 2 bags of Italian salad mix. And then I got a bag of white onions and green bell peppers so that I can dice these up and just keep them in the freezer for when I need them in the future. And then I got a bag of red grapes. I needed some more butter spray. And they had some cavatappi noodles at Aldi. I haven't seen these there before, so I just picked up a couple boxes just for something different. My daughter has been wanting to try Triscuits, so I picked her up a box of those. Then I got a box of marshmallow stars and chocolate puffs and some fruit and grain bars. One of my daughters loves soba noodles, so I picked her up 2 of these just for a quick lunch on the weekends. And the egg prices have finally gone down. They're about half the price they were at Aldi. So these were $2.99 a dozen. I only needed 1 dozen because I still have 3 dozen in the fridge. So hopefully next week they'll be even cheaper. That would be great. So I did pick up 2 different packs of bacon. I typically just buy this one, but my husband wanted to try center cut bacon. So I got both just because the regular bacon is about 60 cents cheaper. So I just got 1 of each. And then I got some frozen strawberries as my kids like to make smoothies with those. And then it's been years, maybe 5, 10, who knows, maybe even longer since I've actually had pork chops. But these looked really good, so I thought I'd pick up a pack. And I'm super excited to try those out this week. And then I also picked up a pack of frozen chicken breasts, some turkey breast sandwich meat. And then I picked up several different canned doughs. So I got 2 crescent rolls, some cinnamon rolls, some biscuits, and some cherry pie filling. And this is for a dessert recipe video. So when you're watching this grocery haul video, I already have the dessert video posted. So I'll have that linked down below if you're interested in checking that out. And then I also picked up these soft pretzels. My girls like soft pretzels, so I picked these up as a special treat. Got 2 blocks of extra sharp cheddar, 1 block of Monterey Jack, and I have been craving feta cheese for the past several weeks. So I picked me up a block of this from Aldi. This is my favorite, the tomato and basil flavor. And then I make my girls' lunches every day, and I like to switch it up instead of just a regular sandwich. So I picked up the bagel skinnies just to switch it up, make it a little more interesting. Also got some loaf bread, and they had some new chips that I've never seen before. So I got the fried pickle and ranch and loaded bacon and cheddar. So I'm excited to see what the family thinks about these. Hopefully they're pretty good. And then now that the Super Bowl is over, they had their Loft House football decorated cookies on sale. I believe these were marked down to like $1.79 a pack. And my girls love these. It's their favorite type of cookie. So I picked up 2 packs of those for them. I got a dozen yogurt, a gallon of milk, some grape juice, and some unsweetened almond milk. And that is everything we picked up this week from Aldi. And the total came in just under $120. So not too bad. So I am going to go ahead and get all of the cold items into the fridge. So thanks for watching, you guys, and I will see you in the next one. Bye.